Okay, for the next phone that we're going to have a look at today, we've got the Yealink T74W. Here it is in the box. We're just going to have a look inside, see what we get. So to start with, you get a user manual, user guide, very handy if deploying lots of these phones around a school or a big area. You can leave one of these under the phone, gives you a quick overview of how to use it. Then we've got the phone, instantly struck by the nice design. Everything's muted. I really like this design. I think it's very, very good way to go for Yealink. Nice move away from the silver buttons. Also in the box we have the handset. We do away with that for a minute. We have the base, foot base, and we have the code cord. First of all, we want to get the base connected. So all we do is follow the arrows here, line that up, and fix into place. Next thing you want to do is get the code cord. You've got two ends, long end, short end. Long end is for the base. Put that in here. It's worth noting at the moment that there is also a curly cord option if you want to use headset curly cord. The other sockets on here, you've got internet and PC. You can use a Ethernet cable I've got here. So you can power this phone directly from an Ethernet cable if you've got powered over Ethernet. This other socket here is the PC socket. So if you're using one wall socket on the wall, cable comes in to the internet and out and into your PC. So it just saves cabling in a big environment. Finally, I'm going to connect this to the handset. And since today we won't be using the Ethernet, we're going to use power supply. Got one here, and that just pops in the bottom there to boot up the phone. So the phone takes about 2 minutes to boot up. Just see it going through its menu options at the moment. While it's doing that, I'll just go an overview of the buttons. So we've got volume. This volume works whether you're on a speaker call. It acts as the ringer volume, and also if you're in a call, it acts as the volume for when you're talking to the caller. You've got the normal buttons for making an outbound call. No need to dial a 9 for an outside line. If you're using the menu or any other menus, you can use this button here for navigating around the menus. Speakerphone. You've got history. Transfer button, put someone on hold, and these buttons across the bottom here, you've got extra pages. If you want to call and mute someone, you can mute them. You've got a headset button, and also you've got your voicemail.
Welcome to your voicemail.
For accessing your voicemail. You can also customize these with your own logo. So if you want to put your company logo, school logo, business logo, anything like that, automatically. And these phones work with Bluetooth 5, I should say. So good for connecting to your earpods or Jabra headset. And they also have Wi-Fi 6. So essentially, if you want to deploy these in any environment, all you need to do is find a 3-pin mains plug socket, connect to your Wi-Fi, and you're ready to go. So we'll just make a quick test call with this now and see how it sounds.
Thank you for calling CFone Communications. We believe good communication starts with listening, so we record our calls to continuously improve our customer service. Please stay on the line and we will connect you to one of our team.
Hi there, this is Mark from CFone. How do I sound? Yeah, you sound clear too. I'll just put you on speakerphone. Maybe you can just give me a quick high five or hello, 1, 2, 3. There you go.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, thank you very much. So that's the Yealink T74W, a really nice phone from CFone Communications. One final thing to note, as I mentioned earlier on the T85 series, if you want to expand this phone, you can actually plug in the side module here, the EXP55, pop that in there. So you've gone from having 12 buttons down the side, which are configurable for whatever you want, to a further 26 buttons plus 2 more pages, giving you lots of buttons for dialing suppliers, rooms, parents, anyone you want, or your internal staff, and you can see them instantly if they're on the call or not. So if you want any further details about these phones that you've seen today, get in touch with CFone Communications on 0208 573 1177 or visit our website cfone.co.uk.